Should phones be allowed in the courtroom? The state Supreme Court justices are taking up that issue. Kylie Kahn tells us why some say it would make it harder to bring order to the court.
Right now, only lawyers and the media are allowed to bring their phones into a courtroom, but Supreme Court justices are looking at the possibility of allowing everyone to bring their phones in. It's a problem for people who represent themselves or use a rideshare app to get to court. It's also been an issue for those who have evidence on their phone. When a person shows up for court with a phone on them and they have nowhere to store it.
Some will record that you did attempt to show up for your hearing. Others will issue a warrant.
Are you kidding? They will tell me I'm going to get a warrant because I show up because I'm blind and there's no other way for me to get there but to use a rideshare? And you're telling me I show up and they're going to tell me that there's going to be a warrant issued?
Others choose to hide their phones outside in a bush, leaving them at risk to be stolen. But not all justices are on board with changing the rule.
I am concerned about judges losing control over courtrooms, crowded courtrooms where they don't have a security officer present.
In Michigan, it's up to each individual court if they want to allow cell phones, but there's no way to know which ones do unless you call ahead of time.
Not only do other states have a statewide court rule allowing them, but 50 courtrooms in Michigan allow cell phones right now. They have found a way to make it work.
Opponents worry that those in the courtroom could feed information to witnesses who are sequestered.
Ringing phones and unauthorized usage of electronic devices, including pictures, videos, and photographing of jurors, can be expected, causing disruption in court proceedings.
Court clerks say changing the rule could cost them money if people can photograph documents with their phone instead of paying per page for copies. Advocates for the change say it's about access to justice.
These belong to the people, we the people. They should not be profiting off copies made when we have electronic means to deliver these items.
Now, we don't know when justices will make a decision on this rule. It could be weeks, it could be months, but we'll be sure to keep you updated.